Good afternoon, everyone. I'm just at the back of the property here. Oh, there goes a big Kangaroo. What the size of it? Big kangaroo going through the bush. He's just hidden under the scrub. Yeah, I'm sorry that I was distracted. I've just got the my new brand new 388, which is a 72cc chainsaw, but I've got the Farm Mac F380 covers on it. I just put the difference on it because I prefer the black ones. It's only had one tank in it, and that's on idling, and I think I've cut a couple of pieces of wood. So, and this is the 288, which is a 90cc class, and it's only had a half a tank idled through it. So I'm just going to start it up and idle it up, and with the 388, I'm just going to cut a couple of those bits of branches this branch that I had fallen down the other day. So I've got all the branches and that off it, which is quite big. This is pretty huge here. So yeah, it's a lot bigger than what it looks on camera, put it that way. So yeah, a lot bigger. But anyway, I've got a little bit of it cut the other day with a little MS251C. So I'm just going to easily get this 388, the 72cc. I'm just going to cut a couple of pieces of this just to bed the rings in a little bit more. So I'll give it a go. So just hold on tight and I'll see if I can get them started. Right, here we go. I'll just try and get this 388 started, 72cc. There we go. Whoa. Okay, take it off the choke. Give it a minute just to warm up before I start putting it in the wood. Right, while I've got that 388 warming up over there, I'll try and give the 288 90cc a start. Straight up. Couldn't be happier. Rightio, I'll let that idle away over there. It's only had one tank in it. Oh no, sorry, a half a tank I've only used. So it's only been started once. This one here, I've started it twice. It's had one tank and probably a quarter, just cut a couple of bits of wood. So give it a warm up and I'll cut a couple of bits of these. Wobbly, it's all uneven ground here. just a couple of cuts with the 388, absolutely beautiful. That's how it come tuned from the factory as well. A little bit rich up top, but only went over, just went up to half throttle. The other one's still idling away up there. But anyway, I'll do a little bit more and I'll come back so this isn't too long. It's already been nearly 9 minutes now. Alright, I've just dropped that branch off from the main bit over there, so I've just rolled it over. There we go. There's a few pieces cut up. That little fella works absolutely beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. I've yet to try the big one. Anyway, I'll carry on and do a little bit more. So there's some big ones there, but I'm only just running it in anyway, so bear with me. Alright. I've just run a bit more fuel through it and give it a bit of a another run in. It's starting to slow down there. But I've cut a few more pieces there, cut all those, cut some of these. I'll just let it idle for a while and then give it a run. So the other old girl up here is still idling away. I won't cut anything with this one yet, I'll just let it bed in a bit more. Sorry there's that many sticks in here. Everything just grabs a hold of you. Running red. Got a 25:1 fuel ratio in it. Same as that one down there. But that's cutting absolutely beautiful. The 388, love it. It's got some torque in it. Anyway, I'll leave it at 12 minutes. So from me and my little hunting hound, I'll catch you later. Bye for now. Rightio, just back for a second, but these are the uncut branches, the little bits and pieces of them I've just set aside, plus that one over there. These are all cut up. I've just sorted them out. So, and all these here. I won't go too big of wood cutting with that saw. It's only the second tank I've got in it. That's probably cut bigger than I really wanted to. But anyway, that's it from me and my little hunting dog there. I'll catch you on the next one. Bye for now.